Hi guys, so doing a review today, and just to say sorry for the background noise, we are outside. I'm doing this whilst at Rufford Abbey, and I have to trust my friends not to make too much noise in the background. But I thought we'd do a comparison between Reproduction Soldier of Fortune Home Guard Haversack and a real one, which has been lent to me by Alan, which is very kind of him. And these are something I definitely recommend buying if you want to reenact Home Guard, because they're not far off the originals at all. So looking inside, obviously you've got the usual Soldier of Fortune K canvas stamp there, not prototypical, but it does show that it's a reproduction. And you can see that the date stamp in this 1940 there. But the inside compartments are laid out in the reproduction just as they are in the original. So you've got two little flaps at the side there, and then a compartment in the rear, and the main compartment in the front there. Single buckle in the front. Made of this similar rubberized material. The reproduction material is not far off the original at all. It's quite good. And the stitching, as you can see along the flap there, is pretty close match to the original. The originals came with the shoulder strap folded in two sections here, as you can see. We can see this on the original here. One of them has been let out here, so this would originally have been folded like that. But that's been let out, and obviously, as I've just shown, that's quite well recreated on the original. Obviously that's to give some adjustability, although generally speaking they're perfectly adequate when left sewn together like that. I wear mine without any modification. Just have a look at the back here and compare how they're manufactured. So again, you have the stitching very similar on the back here. Slight differences, but really not outside the variations you see in the originals. And the seams and everything, and the material is a very close match. The colour's slightly different, but the actual texture and the waterproof nature of the material is not far off at all. So something definitely I would recommend if you want to reenact Home Guard. These are worth getting, because they really are not. We've worn them today. Two of us doing Home Guard reenacting this weekend have worn reproductions alongside people wearing originals, and it looks very good. You wouldn't really know the difference. So that they say worth getting. Definitely something I would recommend. Hope you found that interesting, and until next time, bye for now. That's great, guys. You can finish now. That's great. Thank you.